a story, how you want to show your story. Suppose in a movie there is first is opening scene. Like, have you guys watched Batman movies?
No, I haven't. I don't like to watch. I'm
No.
sorry.
Yeah, yes,
Okay,
sir.
so you guys you haven't watched any movies.
No, I
No,
am
what?
not.
No,
Okay,
what?
so
Yeah, what, sir?
what do you do,
Yeah, what?
Johnny? Then in your pastime.
I don't like to watch like movies, and I think it is like completely time
Waste of
spending.
time.
Okay, with like yeah, absolutely wasting of time.
Yeah, but we cannot always be in office like office mentality. We have to loosen up
Yeah.
ourselves a bit. And movie, believe it or not, in as a student, when we were in college, when we were in school, there is so much restriction that we have to do this. We don't have to watch movies. But when we are with our family, movie time is a for me a movie night or movie date night is just escape from reality.
Hmm.
Okay, so
Correct.
it
Yeah.
yeah it gives us a loosen up a bit. So any which ways you just listen. वजह देने से पहले, have you guys watched Dark Knight or Batman movies?
Yeah, Batman, I guess. Yeah.
Yes, Batman.
Yeah. So Batman, in Batman or Dark Knight, there is one first scene is Joker. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
what the director is trying to say his story. First scene he shows us the Joker, and that Joker scene it just sets the context of the whole movie.
Mm-hmm.
Similarly, in in dashboard or in this Power BI, the first thing we have to set the right context of our whole story. So first thing, have you seen these pages?
Hmm. Yeah. Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Yeah.
So we will work on the pages. There will be not only one page. We will work on several pages, and several pages we will as and when we go, we will rename it, and our context will be set right as overview. In every dashboard, in every report, in every storytelling, you have to first set right the overview.
Hmm.
Overview will be a column where you will just give the viewers a complete picture from a very high level. From very high level, that okay, this is the thing, how much country is there, how much thing is there, how much this and that. You will set the overview. In next pages, we will set the different tone of the story. Some story will be like related to late delivery. Our story will be late delivery as of now, based on this analysis.
Yeah.
Are you getting my point, guys?
Yes,
Please.
sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah, yeah. So our tone will be right. So first page is our overview, second page the late delivery, and as in we go, we will give another thing is the trend. Trend is something we will discuss, and we will see the top performer. Everyone has top performer and bottom performer. I think Johnny has some very good knowledge about this, right, Johnny?
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Correct.
Yeah, I think you guys prepare this kind of thing for the FTEs, right? So
Mm-hmm.
we will have this one thing, one story as top performer and bottom performer. As of
Yes.
now, we will check this, and if if our time permits, we will do some predictions, correct?
Yeah.
And we will see some advanced visualization, okay, in all of this. And these all pages will be interlinked, okay? Everything will be interlinked.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So I
Yeah.
think Samrat and Amlan is there.
Okay.
Hi, Amlan.
Umlan on mute.
Hi.
I think Samrat joined and left.
Hello. Yeah.
Yeah, he's
Both joined.
texting.
Hello, am I audible?
Yes, Samrat.
Yes, yes, Samrat.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
So
Samrat.
Samrat, we would need that recording.
Yeah, sure, sure, sure. I'll definitely upload the recording and I'll share you the link. Okay.
Sure. Yeah.
Actually, the class is too long na to record.